You don't get denied because you're irresponsible or unqualified or even dreaming too big. You got denied because barndominiums don't fit neatly inside a system fit for resale houses. Banks look for boxes, and Barndos, they don't live in those typical boxes. So when the order is wrong, land before strategy, or architectural plans before financing, or builder before approval, the system flags it as risky, even when the project itself makes sense. That's why people with solid credit get shut down. That's why the bank said no. And that isn't the end of the story. It's not a failure. It's a mismatch. The fix is not giving up. It's changing the sequence and using a process designed for this kind of build. You know you want a Barndo. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.